Keeler BMW at Keeler Motor Car Company is exceptionally pleased to present this 2008 BMW X5 3.0 SI with automatic transmission. Done in a mineral green metallic exterior and a sand beige Nevada leather interior with light poplar wood trim, this beautiful BMW will attract the eye of everyone you pass by. This is a truly excellently maintained X5 with low mileage totaling only 42,000 miles. Along with all the standard features of this model year, you will not believe how many options this BMW has crammed into it, consisting of the cold weather package, premium package, rear climate package, technology package, auto dimming rearview mirror, roof rails, power front seats, 18-inch wheels, tire pressure monitor, panoramic moonroof, iPod and USB adapter, North America DVD area coding, satellite radio, CO2 control, and many more. A safe, reliable X5 like this will stick by you through thick and thin. Stop by and see for yourself. As with all of our vehicles, it's Carfax certified. Call us today for more information or with any questions you may have.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.